A disruption of the rules of wealth is taking place at the forefront of the deep integration of technology and the economy. The research team led by Eric, an authority at MIT, has spent 3 years and gone through 270,000 data refinements to successfully create the unique CPV circular growth economy model. This system, which is shaped like a precision machine, is using the 4-dimensional gears of mining value-added destruction circulation to reconfigure mankind's perception of value. In terms of total volume design, the initial issuance of 2.1 billion pieces is like the primordial standard stardust in the universe. While the deflationary black hole forged by the smart contract is called a wealth meat grinder, 90% of the total volume will be permanently annihilated, and the rate of destruction will increase exponentially every time the ecology crosses the 10% growth threshold. This means that every CPV is undergoing a brutal value screening. From the zero-cost origins of Genesis mining to the forging of liquidity pools, the burning of scenario applications, and ultimately, the metamorphosis into the digital world in a deflationary consensus. Holders, builders, and users form a wealth symbiosis through a closed-loop ecosystem, where each node captures the dividends of value leap in a network of interest resonance. The 3x3 network vision protocol embedded in the system is more like a powder keg of wealth. Activating 3 effective users can trigger the exponential spread of the cellular network. Real cases show that a community realized a 300% user fission in 72 hours, and consensus swept through the digital grassland like wildfire. When AI big language models are linked to iCloud arithmetic pool through exclusive channel, when CPCoin public chain gathers global arithmetic to build distributed Tower of Babel, and RWA technology is importing millions of real estate into the digital star river CPV as the anchor point of arithmetic value. It's driving the 3-dimensional flywheel of user as the anchor point of the arithmetic value. CPV is driving the 3-dimensional flywheel of user growth deflation acceleration market value leap. 100,000 users trigger 18.7% annualized deflation rate. And circulation volume in that stage decreases by 23%, but generates a 412% surge in the market value. This kind of wealth miracle that is against the common sense is tearing apart the traditional economic logic. Quantum model extrapolation reveals the shocking truth. 100,000 holding addresses will trigger a wave of liquidity premiums. 1 million nodes will trigger an explosion of supply-demand singularities, and a 10 million level ecology will catalyze a wealth fusion of asset securitization. These are not prophecies, but wealth opportunities that are counting down. When 90% of the total amount is destined to disappear in the deflationary black hole, every CPV in the hands of early participants may become a future value totem. The gears of the CPV system are in full gear. If you enter now, you will become the pioneer of the original 2.1 billion veins, locking the scarce assets in a countdown to the destruction of smart contracts. While others are still calculating traditional income, the first batch of awakened people have already seized the wealth high ground of the arithmetic revolution in the triple dividend of mining, fission, deflation. It's not a question of choice, it's a question of survival. AI arithmetic is about to reshape the world. Are you ready? Act fast and seize the key opportunity to rewrite the landscape of wealth